Hi everyone, welcome and thank you so much for joining me today on my unboxing journey. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Erin Condren 2019 Summer Seasonal Surprise Box. So I saw this as an ad, I think on my email or on Instagram. Erin Condren, she produces like planners, pins, all of that stuff to plan out your entire life. And I have friends on Instagram that have used her journals, but when I saw this surprise box, I said, you know what, let me go ahead and try it. So this is the way it came. It just got here in the mail today. And this is what we see inside. It says, make your own sunshine. Very cute. And then there's a little card in here. And it says, Erin Condren, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. The 2019 Summer Seasonal Surprise Box is here. The box theme is Sunshine in a Box. Ready to splash into summer, it's the best season for making sun-drenched memories that keep us warm all year long. It's also the season that seems to sail by the fastest. So we curated a box of sunshine that will inspire you to enjoy everyday magic while capturing golden summer memories in style. I hope every splash of inspiration you get from the quote on your cover, every happy sticker you pop in your planner, and every memory and thought you jot in your colorful summer journal reminds you to plan and live a life you truly love. I would love to hear from you and what you think about this box. And there she is. And then on the reverse side, it has I guess pictures and description of everything that you're getting in this surprise box. I've never purchased one of her planners, but it is on my list of things, so this might actually put me there to getting it. All right. So I open that. So it looks like it's very cute. I love the color yellow. And again, we see one of my favorite colors, teal, is in there. All right, let's see what's first. Okay, I'm gonna put this card up right here so you can kind of read it. Okay, so this is cute little see-through, I guess, wristlet. Bring a ray of sunshine with you. This is exclusive, $15 value. Let's see what's inside. It's like a little planner inside. It's really nice quality. It's thick. Okay, here's a little planner. This is the Mini Kaleidoscope Colorful Petite Journal, and the value for this is $6. It's just a blank little journal. Very cute. I like it. I like the colors. And then look at this, what we have here. Some paper clips, some palm tree paper clips. Look at the bag. That's very colorful. Definitely something probably we can reuse. This is... there's 9 paper clips, and the value for this is $8.50. The next thing we have here is a Petite Planner Summer Journal. It says it has 80 pages. Summer Journal includes 3 undated monthly spreads, daily journaling prompts, spaces for memory keeping, list section for your summer to-dos, world map to record all of your summer adventures, exclusive metallic sticker sheets. That is so pretty. Let's go ahead and open this up so I can show you some pages. I always like to see pages of journals and stuff, so I'd like to imagine what I can put on there, how I can use it. Okay, so there's this one. Hope you can see it. It's not blurry. This one says, I want the summer to be, kind of, I guess, your plans for the summer. And then we have like looking back, looking ahead. And then this is like a monthly spread. I like that it's undated, so that's nice. And let's see what's in the back. So, oh look, these are the stickers. There's a little pocket here that you can use. And then all of these pretty stickers. Look at that. Pineapple sticker. I'm totally into pineapples. I'm sure tons of y'all are into pineapples this season as well. Okay, I like that a lot. Okay, did I already say the value for this is $14? And then we have some stickers, some more stickers. Very pretty. I love the colors. Makes me want to go to the beach again. I love them. And these sticker sheets are $7.50. That's the value for those. And then next we have this. This, I don't know what it is. Interchangeable metallic quote cover. I guess maybe this is like if you already have an Erin Condren planner, you can use this. All right, so I think I got everything on the list. I really like it all. It's so pretty. And actually I got an email today. So I was looking at the journal, so I might end up just buying a journal. Oh wait, there's something else too. Oh my gosh, totally missed this. Look at this pen. Let's see, it's an asterisk ballpoint pen, $10.50 value. So really this box was really worth it. I think I paid $30 or 30 some dollars. I forgot, but I'll put it down below. I think I paid 30 some dollars for this box. And I think it's really well worth it, especially if I end up getting a journal. All of this I can use with that. I mean, I use this stuff like this on a daily basis. So I'm gonna make sure there's nothing else in the box. So there you go, it's empty. And then I did read on here, it says all in a reversible box that you can turn inside out and use again. So that's cool. So then this becomes the outside of the box. Okay, I like that. That's really nice. Okay, thank you so much for joining me again today. And I have a referral link. Actually, I got an email with a referral link for this brand. So I'll go ahead and put it below, and you get a little bonus. I can't remember what, but it'll be in the description below. So thanks again. Talk to you soon.